Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm a teacher and I'm going to show you how to use the YPO products to help with your celebrations throughout the year. This year marks 100 years since the end of the First World War. Why not make your own commemorative poppies using this easy kit? It's a great group activity and you can use the poppies to create wonderful school displays. To start with, take 2 tissue paper poppies, overlay them and align the centre hole. Next, take a pipe cleaner stem, push it through the centre and secure with a loop. Turn the poppy over, take a tissue paper leaf and stick it to the back using some sticky tape. Flip the poppy over again and using some glue, stick the centre, circle, down to complete your poppy. Now, you can use white card to make a cross. Using some glue, simply stick down your poppy in the centre. You can also use a wreath to glue the poppies onto to make your displays come to life. This activity, for all ages, is a fun, informative and good way of teaching children about our historical heritage.